All right, welcome everyone to another episode here on the Tech Loft. I'm your host Sal, and we've got another unboxing that I have for you guys today. Now, if you missed my last video I unboxed the TurboGrafx 16 mini console. So that was a lot of fun to do, and we got to play some games after opening it, and it's a neat little console. There's a link down below or somewhere around here where I'll post a link to that last video. But for this video here, I've picked up a Raspberry Pi 4 right there. It's a whole starter kit, so everything you need to get started with your Raspberry Pi. And I think one of the most popular things you're going to do with this, if you're into it, is retro gaming, and make yourself a little mini retro gaming console using RetroPie. Let's open it up and see what we got here in this case. Now, again, this is a complete kit. Everything you need is all in one. I bought this a few weeks ago, and I haven't had a chance to open it up and take a look at it and put together. So I thought, why not get a video out and show you guys what you get in when you go out and pick up a whole Raspberry Pi kit. Now, this is the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. Now, from what I understand, the Raspberry Pi 4 came out in 3 flavors. 2 gig, a 4 gig, and an 8 gig. This is the 4 gig here. And the 4 gig is suitable if you wanted to run a Linux desktop on there, or there are options of, there are Ubuntu or Linux options that will run on a Raspberry Pi 4. Now, they say this is powerful, obviously, more than the Raspberry Pi 3. So we're gonna see what we got in the case. I don't think I'm gonna put it together right here, right now, but let's take a look at the board and see what we got. Open here. We gotta break the seal to open. Wonderful stuff. Now, I have a Raspberry Pi 3, a model, I believe it's a Model B as well. So I have used it and it works great. And what I've done right now actually is loaded some cloud software on there, and I'm able to, I don't have all the details with it with me right now, but I've attached it to some speakers, and I can connect music from my iPhone using AirPlay to the Raspberry Pi 3 and play music there. So I have that actually set up outside in my shed, the speakers with the Raspberry Pi connected to Wi-Fi, and I can throw music over there when I'm outside. Anyways, I got this. Now you're probably thinking, why did you get another one? Well, I got this because it was a pretty good discount on this Raspberry Pi 4 kit. Regularly, it's here in Canada, it's $135. In the US, it's $100, this same kit. I think I had a pretty good discount of $20 off or something like that. So I thought, you know what? Let me grab it, let me pick it up and play around with it and all that. So it comes with a safety and user guide. Tells you how to, little pictogram here with some images. Right there. Okay, how to handle it, which way to mount it up. And here's the board here. It looks, as you can see, we've got some USB 2 and USB 3. And then everything there is on top. And from what I read, it's a true gigabit Ethernet port on there. USB-C on there. And you can output to 2 monitors on that through those HDMI ports there. We got 2 HDMI mini ports. So you can go up to 2. Now, what I also read was if you use 1 monitor, you can do 60 frames per second. If you connect to 2 monitors, they go down to 30 frames per second each monitor. So that's the unit right there. Let's see what else we got. We have the starter kit, starter guide. Okay, very, well, everything is here. But you know what? To use this stuff, it's as simple as writing the OS or whatever software to the USB card, popping it in, booting it up, and you're good to go for the most part. At least for someone, you know, I'm not too heavy into this stuff. Okay, now it does come with a case, and this case does have a power on and off switch. That's something that my Raspberry Pi 3 didn't have. The case didn't have it either. So that's the case right there. It's even got a little, to mount it on some kind of tripod or something, a mounting screw socket. And then here's everything else on the side. And it's labeled as well. Let me take it out of the box. Hopefully I'm not making too much noise. So you got your airflow there. Power switch will probably go here. Probably it's inside. And it's all labeled there. LAN, USB 2 and 3. And powered by USB-C. Audio out. I don't know if you can see that. And then you've got your micro HDMI ports. Power adapter. This is great. Again, now the benefit... Oh, is this the power switch? It's on the power cord. USB-C. That's all right, whatever. Look at this. So instead of one HDMI, they do give you two HDMI cords, connector, whatever you want to call them, cables. Okay, so they give you the two to connect it to the two monitors. Fortunately, I only have one spare monitor I can test this on. This looks like, oh, it says here a Type-C card reader. So you put your card, SD card there, and then you plug it right into the USB slot. That's I've never seen something like that before. That's some new compact way. Here's the CPU. It's a fan. I don't know where that belongs. Somewhere inside there. Heat sinks. Okay, that you sync to all the chips on the board. Looks like there's 3 of them. You have to. And it does, like when I say complete, it even gives you a 32 gig card. Okay. Wonderful stuff. And it gives you a little screwdriver as well. So I guess as soon as you get this, you don't even have to grab anything additional out of your closet or anything like that to put it together. Everything is in the box. Put it together, screw it closed, and you're good to go. All you have to worry about is getting the software you want on your SD card. Now, this is pre-installed with NOOBS. It says here on the as I look at the contents of this kit. So this has software on it already, but you can use another card, load up RetroPie, and get working, playing with that on there. And that's it. That's the whole case. So like I said, everything you need is all in is all in here. It appears complete, and again, 2 mini to full there HDMI cables included in this kit. So I'm gonna put it together. I'm not gonna include that in this video right now, but I'm gonna put it together and then we'll show it off and see what you guys think. Now, so if you like this video, guys, please feel free to subscribe. I've also created a few retro themed t-shirts. Now, if you don't have an ad blocker, you can find because you won't see the t-shirts underneath this video, but you'll see if you don't have the ad blocker turned on, you'll see the t-shirts I've designed on the bottom shelf. It's pretty neat. So check it out. If you like it, pick one up. Seems to be a better deal if you live in the US to order them because all these t-shirt companies reside in the US. Way too expensive if you live in Canada if you want to pick one up. But anyways, that's all for this week. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And I'll get some more content out there for you. Thanks for joining me, and ciao for now.